here's what we got today. Sets at the estate sale were $1. This one's a score. You'll see why. Chrome. BASF Chrome. Professional 2 Chrome tape. That is cool. This was a Facebook Marketplace find. That's pretty cool. It weighs quite a bit too. Went to pick up an RF modulator, and as a bonus, she gave me this piece of crap converter box. Had one of those before. And it's another thing. It's a Lasko oscillating fan. One actually branded Lasko instead of Galaxy. It's in great shape. Look, it's not even yellowed at all. That's cool. Let's see the bottom here. Oh, it was $15. Okay. Let's face this down. It's got the screw and the oscillator pin thing. It's got the squared handle, and it has all 4 clips. Look at that. Here's the stamp on the bottom. Come on, stupid. 2 says it's from 1982. Here's the inside. This will get a separate video. It's got the small plug on it. It's got the blades that are not pointed. It's in pretty good shape too. Look at it. That's pretty awesome. I have like 10 of these now. It's a little bit slow to start, but we'll fix it up. So yeah, that's what I got today.